If you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on a Samsung Galaxy A27, then in that case what you can do is you can open, for example, the Quick Settings panel, and then over here, let's say here in this expandable area, you should be able to find Quick Share. You can tap on this option in order to proceed to this menu over here, and then at the bottom we can switch to Send. Now over here you should be able to choose whatever you want to send to the other person, so you can tap on Select Files. And then over here you can simply choose whatever you want to transfer. We have also a bunch of different categories like images, videos, documents, and other stuff. So let's say I'm gonna choose example photos over here, and let's tap on Done. Now once you select everything, there's also of course these three dots over here as the prompt says, and for example you can turn on private sharing, and also you can check out settings if needed. But besides that, of course, over here now you should be able to try to find the other person that you are trying to send your files to. You can also generate a QR code or a link in case you cannot really detect that other person on your phone, in case there is something wrong with QuickShare on their device. But that shouldn't be a problem with detecting the other person, as long as that other person is, of course, visible, as long as the visibility setting is set to, let's say, everyone, to make sure that the device can be found. Besides that, that other person or the person that is trying to receive files, it is recommended to for them to stay in this receive menu. So they want to open QuickShare as well and stay in receive, because as long as you are in the receive menu, you are visible to everyone. And yeah, so no matter what your setting is, you should be able to keep this window, this menu opened, and you can be pretty much guaranteed that your phone is detectable. But besides that, it is not really necessary to send files or transfer files by just going to QuickShare. Instead, what you can do is you can first find whatever you want to transfer and then use the Share button, which usually also includes the QuickShare option. So if we go to, let's say, Gallery again, and if I choose some example files that I, let's say, want to transfer, then over here I should be able to use this Share button. And then among all of these options, as you can see here, we have Quick Share, so we can just go over here and our files are immediately selected. So this might be a slightly more convenient way to select your files. And the rest is pretty much the same. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.